Lindsay, we really can't complain too much because it is winter and we expect it to be a little cold.
We do, and in fact, the fact that this is our coldest temperature so far of the season, and really we just skirted our way past -10 degrees for the first time, I think it's safe to say that this winter has been pretty gentle on us here in the GTA. A little bit of a different story in other areas, though. There's been a real lack of snow in the city of Toronto, but look at Barrie today. So yesterday and the day before that, there were snow squalls that were making their way across the province, and yeah, in some areas about 30 centimeters of snow accumulated. That's a decent amount, and it made people need to, well, as you can see, dust off their windows, maybe fire up the snowblower. But some were also making the most of the wintry weather. There was some cross-country skiing that was happening. Some people took the dog for a walk or maybe ventured out to the tobogganing hill with some social distancing happening as well. Overall, looks like a bit of a winter wonderland and nothing like what it looks like here in the city of Toronto. I don't think there's much in the way of snow left on the ground anywhere. A lot of green grasses, green lawns instead. As for the lake effect snow, it continues to fall. Snow squall warnings and a winter weather travel advisory remains in effect for communities closer to the shores of Lake Huron, but we do see signs that these lake effect bands are in fact weakening and going to be tapering off through the evening hours tonight. Big picture, there's a couple disturbances that we're keeping an eye on to bring us the next round of active weather. This first one, it has the potential to mainly impact extreme southwest Ontario, but as we make our way into late day Monday and Tuesday of this upcoming week, we do have a decent chance of maybe a little bit of snow here in the city of Toronto. First, here's tomorrow afternoon. There's the snow from Windsor extending close to the London area. Expect a mostly cloudy day for us here in the GTA, and it is expected to be mostly dry as well. Similar situation into Monday, hopefully a little more in the way of sunshine. It's through the overnight hours that you'll start to notice that system just drifting to the south of us, mostly staying south of the border. That's where the forecast has changed a little bit over the last couple of days. It could change once again, but right now we do see signs of, at the very least, a few flurries here in the GTAs. We'll make our way into Tuesday afternoon, but no major significant snow expected at this point. Here's the almanac for today. So not only was it our coldest start as far as an overnight low is concerned, but it was also our coldest daytime high we've experienced so far this year. It's going to be another very cold night in places like Parry Sound, Peterborough, and Bancroft. In the city of Toronto, yeah, that's chilly, but it's also fairly seasonal. And tomorrow, this is a pretty normal daytime high that we're calling for, -2 degrees, again with some sunny breaks, but also at times mainly cloudy skies. 7-day forecast. Monday, we're back up around the freezing mark, but don't get too used to that. Overnight lows are going to become a little more typical for this time of year as we make our way through this upcoming week. It's a generally dry forecast with the exception of Tuesday, and I've got my eye on next Saturday for maybe a 40% chance of flurries. That's a 7-day forecast. Andrea, over to you.
Thank you, Lindsay. With tax season just around the corner, a reminder for anyone who collected CERB last year, the benefits received weren't tax-free. CTV's Peter Spears